Bienvenidos amigos, muchas gracias por estar aquí. Today is quiz day. We'll be covering the verb to go in this quiz, which means ir in Spanish. Choose the correct answer. Comencemos. Juan blank a trabajar. Voy, va, vamos. Va. Juan va a trabajar. Juan goes to work. Mañana blank al banco. Iré, fui, fue. Iré. Mañana iré al banco. Tomorrow I will go to the bank. Ellos blank a casa. Van, vamos, vas. Van. Ellos van a casa. They go home. Tú blank a la escuela. Fuimos, fuiste, fueron. Fuiste. Tú fuiste a la escuela. You went to school. Ella blank al cine. Iréis, iré, irá. Irá. Ella irá al cine. Usted blank al parque. Fue, fui, vas. Fue. Usted fue al parque. Remember that usted is used for a formal singular you. You went to the park. Yo blank al hospital. Iremos, voy, fueron. Voy. Yo voy al hospital. I go to the hospital. The H is silent in Spanish. Vosotros blank a la tienda. Iréis, irán, van. Iréis. Vosotros iréis a la tienda. Vosotros means you all. It's a plural pronoun. You will go to the store. Ustedes blank a la fiesta. Iremos, fuimos, fueron. Fueron. Ustedes fueron a la fiesta. Ustedes means you all as well. These are very regional words. This means you went to the party. Vos blank al museo. Irás, iréis, fue. Irás. Vos irás al museo. You will go to the museum. Vos and tú both mean you in the informal singular way. Their usage is very regional, similar to vosotros and ustedes. I hope this quiz is helpful. I try to put some common vocabulary for different places that you will visit so that you also learn those. If you still need to practice the verb conjugations for ir, watch this video next to learn past, present, and future tenses. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.